Nitro Type has lacked a competitive aspect for many moons, mostly because of the way the game operates. It's off of who does the most races and the most grinding. Well, today we sort of have a solution because we're introducing an easy and accessible way for Nitro Type duels and tier tests. Obviously, you know how fast you are, so just slap in your hand and you get like a tier. Like Nitro Math would be arbitrary, but the duels are what comes in handy. Now, the process can be pretty hard to explain, so I'm going to try to explain it very easily. Here's how the process works. There's 5 tiers, 1 to 5, and 1 would be the best, 5 would be the worst. And there's low and high tiers of each number, so low tier 1 would be worse than high tier 1. So it scales from low tier 5 as the lowest possible tier to high tier 1 as the highest possible tier. Now that doesn't necessarily matter, all you need to know is your tier whenever you do tier tests, so then you can go out and duel. To get awarded your tier, you will have to go on voice chat and prove you're legit by screen sharing or, camera, showing your hand cam, showing your screen in some sort of capacity to prove you're not using an auto typer or script. So yeah. You will get awarded a tier after that based off of your words per minute in casual mode, so try to go as fast as you can because some people just get decimals in between tiers and it's infuriating, I know. But yeah, we do round up, so if you get above let's say a 114 or 113.5, we will round it up to 114, or vice versa, any 0.5 we round it up. You can then go out and duel others based off of words per minute on competitive mode in a friends race instead of casual mode in a friends race. And you might be thinking, well, how am I going to track all of this? Is it going to take a while to track? Well, no. There's actually an extension that tracks it for us using tampermonkey. And it logs your races easily and your cumulative averages and accuracy tier. I'm going to show a demonstration of the logger using an alt account and racing on both of them at the same time. Okay, everybody take a gander to the right of your screen. You're going to see this tier test logger, which is an extension for tampermonkey. So even you could possibly be in a duel. So obviously you want to enter in the exact player name. So when you see this, you want to go ahead and enter in your name, which would be Internet Typer YT. And for the example, say I'm racing against myself, it would be retired internet. And once you put both of these on, you want to turn logging on, and then obviously you could go over here. It doesn't have to be a friends race, I do not believe, but yeah. So once you go ahead and start it, obviously you're gonna have to do a race to get like results. So let me go ahead and show you what the results are going to pretty much look like. It automatically loads up the race, and as you can see, it's gonna have it right here. Race 1, Internet Typer. I got 68 words per minute, 94.33. Retired Internet got 67 with 96.8. You can see the averages right there. And that is accurate, and the cumulative averages obviously are just the race that we just did. Where this would be coming in handy, you don't have to input the race results every time, and it's easier to sort of do duels with people who don't necessarily know how to work a spreadsheet. What is you doing, bro? Just join already.